Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Response Synchro Mesh Task Chair. Features. With its mesh backrest design and slim profile, the Response adds a contemporary look to any workplace. The flexible mesh textile suits users of different sizes and is breathable, helping to keep you cool and comfortable throughout the day. The ergonomically designed encased mesh backrest features a pronounced lumbar support area for enhanced comfort. The backrest is fitted with a height-adjustable lumbar support pad, reducing pressure on the lumbar region of the spine. The pad adjusts by sliding up or down the backrest support into position like this. The backrest is also height adjustable and can be raised using the easy-to-use ratchet mechanism. The seat pad is ergonomically contoured for comfort, and the waterfall front helps to promote circulation to the lower limbs, preventing tiredness. The air mesh headrest is also tilt adjustable for added comfort. The synchronized tilt mechanism is operated by the left-hand lever. Pull the lever up to unlock the mechanism and allow the chair to float freely. Push it down again to lock the chair into the required position. The hand wheel at the front of the chair adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free-floating. For a more ergonomic experience, set the tension control to suit your body weight and unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. The gas seat height adjustment sets the seat at the user's optimum height. The seat height is adjusted by lifting the right-hand lever. Height-adjustable armrests help reduce the risk of RSI, and they're topped with comfort pads to provide extra support. The Response comes with a black mesh backrest with a cushioned seat pad upholstered in black air mesh fabric. This is teamed with a black frame, silver armrests and a chrome 5-star base for a modern look and feel. And the base is fitted with twin-wheel hooded casters for easy mobility. The chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852, Level 0, 1 and 5, and fabrics to EN 1021, Parts 1 and 2. The mesh backrest textile is fire retardant to CA 117. The Response chair comes complete with a 1-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.